Let's talk about the latest launched HMD smartphone Aura 2. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.52 inches HD water drop notch display, resolution of 576 by 1280 pixels, 460 nits peak brightness, and with 60 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front-facing camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version Android 14 Go edition operating system screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55 plus 1.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc SC9863A, 28nm chipset, paired with G8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 128 GB of dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.4 by 76.9 by 8.95 mm, and it weighs around 185.4 grams. And the color options: electric purple, midnight black, icy blue. Colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes single SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with mono speaker support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The HMD Aura 2 has been priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 256GB storage variant at 24,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this HMD Aura 2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.